Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Merry Xmas to you all in advance. So join me today as I make shortbread. So to make shortbread, you need just three ingredients, which are butter, flour, and your white powdered sugar. So I'll go ahead to add my butter in my large mixing bowl, and after that I'll use my hand mixer to mix the butter until it becomes creamy. So next I'm going to go ahead to add in my white powdered sugar, and after that I'll use my spatula to stir it continuously until I combine everything together. And after that I'll gradually add my flour and also my powdered milk. This is optional, you can skip adding powdered milk to yours, but this helps to give shortbread cookies a nice taste. And after that I'm going to continue stirring with my spatula, and while doing so I'll keep on adding my flour gradually until I get a perfect dough for my shortbread cookies. So after I achieve a perfect dough for my shortbread cookies, I'm going to go ahead to place it on my baking paper. Then I'll go ahead to place another baking paper on it. You can use your palm to press it down to flatten the dough, or you can use a rolling pin. But if you're using a rolling pin, make sure you do not apply too much pressure on it. And after I'm done flattening my dough, I'll go ahead to take out the baking sheet on it. So next I'm going to use my pizza cutter to cut off the edges to form a square shape, and this will help to give your shortbread a nice shape. So after cutting, remove the extra dough. So next I'm going to start cutting my dough now. Make sure you cut your dough straight. Another method is that you can just place this in your oven rack, then place it in your refrigerator, allow it to rest for about 30 minutes, and after that you can start cutting. Or you can place your dough, your flattened dough, in your oven, allow it to bake for about 5 to 10 minutes, then take it out and cut. But for I'm going to cut. After cutting, I'll go ahead to place it in my refrigerator and allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, I'm going to take out my cut dough. Then I'm going to use a fork to make a hole in it. And while doing this, don't forget to turn on your oven and allow it to preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And please guys, support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker, and also join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing family and to see all my exclusive videos whenever I upload, and also to get other benefits. So after I'm done preheating my oven, I'm going to go ahead to place my shortbread cookies in my oven and bake until it turns golden brown, or at least for about 30 minutes. So as you can see, I'm done baking my shortbread. Please don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.